If you've just bought yourself a DJI OSMO Mobile SE and you find it's not connecting properly, it's because you have to actually have your phone on the device. So you might be turning this on and you might be unlocking it and you might think, why is it not working? It's not going to work until you have your phone on it. So this phone is already connected to here because you can see we have a green light, but it's flashing, but it's not doing anything. But now watch this. We're going to put this on. You've got to put the camera symbol up towards the camera on the phone. So we're putting this on here like so we're not touching any buttons. And you can see that the camera symbol is pointing up to the actual cameras. And then we have a little dot here. The dot has to line up with the dot on here. It's magnetic, so it will put itself nearly into the correct position. You might find you have to give it a little wiggle. So there we go, that's there now. Get a little wiggle left and right to make sure it fully clicks into place. And now you still might be like, well, it's not working. Well, this is where you're going to be turning it off and back on again, and then you will find it will all work. So hit the M button to turn off, M button to turn on, and now you can see that it's now going to work. So if you find yours is unresponsive, it's probably because you haven't actually connected your phone onto the device. If I pull this off now, again, it will become unresponsive. And every time you put it on, you have to turn it off and back on again. Give it a little turn. There you go. Clicks into place. Off, back on again. So that's it. Don't worry, yours isn't faulty. You just haven't got the phone connected to the actual gimbal. Thanks for watching.